Hey y'all, I just want to show y'all what I got up and made early this morning. I put this on at 9 in the morning. I got chicken legs up in here and everything was frozen. And I didn't pull the meat off the legs. I got frozen vegetables, some canned potatoes. That's why they held up. They're cooking so long. What else? And some pasta. Curly pasta. Some cream of chicken soup. And some a lot of seasonings. I just got through eating a bowl full and it was delicious. Thumbnail. Okay. And I'm using my crock pot, something I haven't used in a while. Well, I never use it anymore. I used to use it all the time. I have several crock pots around here. So I got me some much needed rest. I put this food on and went to bed. Okay, and like I said, this is delicious, very savory. I put in a few drops of hot sauce, and that was good eating. I ain't making no muffins, I ain't making nothing else. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. I have the blue tree dazzler lights on today. You can change the colors every day if you want to. So of course I have my different colors twinkle lights, but the tree dazzler lights are light blue. Turn it this way. Okay, that's my tree, y'all. I like doing this every year. Okay, I'm going for real now. Bye.